Hello everyone, we are here at 3352 Santa Rosa Drive in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This home is in the Santa Rosa Shores subdivision, and you've got 1,757 square feet, as well as 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Upon entry, we walk straight into the living room that has luxury vinyl flooring, a wood-burning fireplace, our first entry to the porch outside, and then a sneak peek. You do get into some beautiful vaulted ceilings in the kitchen, but I'm actually going to start you guys off in our master bedroom because this home is on a split floor plan. So that means that you do get privacy on the opposite side of the house in your master suite as the other 3 bedrooms oppose you. Here we are. There you see you have your own private entry to the screened-in porch and pool area. That luxury vinyl flows into this room for a seamless look. Here's your bathroom with the tub and shower combo. A nice spacious single vanity. Lots of storage here. And then a massive walk-in closet for the size of this room. Storage hangers on both sides. Super convenient. So we'll actually go ahead and walk through this door here, and we'll go out into this screened-in porch area, which I think is a huge selling point for this home. So here we are, the screened-in porch that is right next to our screened-in pool. This porch alone is a 46 by 9 sized porch, which makes it great for hosting or barbecuing or just watching the kids swim during the summer. There's that entry in the living room. And then we will walk all the way down here for our third and final entry to the porch, which is going to lead us into the kitchen. So we're just going to pop out right on the other side. As you can see, there's the entry to the master bedroom. And here we are with another vantage point of the living room. So I'm gonna go ahead and pan you guys over. This could be set up like they have it here with a little dining area if you have a larger family or host a larger amount of people. Again, nice vaulted ceilings with the skylight up there. See if we can get you a peek. There we go, that just pours in a lot of natural light, especially during the summer. It makes it nice and bright in here. You do have a breakfast nook just for quick eating conveniences, or you could potentially build this out to have a bench seat around those corners. I think that would be beautiful. There's your kitchen. And then we'll go ahead and get into the final 3 bedrooms. So while we're on our way there, I think it's important to note that this is a whole house generator home. And the HVAC is also only 4 years of age. Here we are in our second bedroom. Nice large window. And then an extremely nice closet. So even though it is a French door style, or excuse me, an accordion door style, you still go back pretty far. And so you have plenty of room for clothing storage. Again, that luxury vinyl flows throughout all of the rooms, and you do have tile in your bathrooms. Here we are, our third bedroom. Even larger window here. And then same accordion style closet doors. But again, it goes back pretty far, so you do get some depth. I know there are some accordion style closets that are very shallow and don't give you much room to work with. So I still think you could get a good amount of storage in on those closets. So this is going to be the bathroom that is shared between all these 3 bedrooms. You do have a single vanity, same type of tub and shower combo in here. And then you even have a linen closet for extra storage, just to make things convenient for you. and that tile in those bathrooms. Here is our last bedroom. Pretty nice size. And obviously too, you can get creative with all of these bedrooms. You can turn them into an office and home gym, whatever best fits your lifestyle. Now this bedroom does in fact have a decently sized walk-in closet, as you can see there. Very nice. Ample room for clothing storage. All right, so let's take you guys back out. We're gonna go check out the pool. And while we're on our way there, this house was built in 1982, but they did have a re-roof 6 years ago, so no need to worry about the roof or re-roofing, because you should be good to go and set there. Okay, so the door to enter the pool is going to be down just out of the primary suite, and then this is going to be the door that you will access to go out to the yard itself. But let's go ahead and walk the perimeter of the pool just so you guys can see how glorious it actually is in here. Again, it's January right now, so in those winter and in those summer months, this is going to be an amazing spot to host and hang out and just spend some quality time out here. So here we are. You can already see the lighting just immediately changes. Amazing size pool. We'll go towards the back here. So you can see that you do have a little pavilion here. You could set up a barbecue pit. You could have some yard games. There we go. And even the yard itself, there's so much room for creativity. If you are wanting to do something like landscaping or gardening, there are some citrus trees on site here that will be staying. So that's a pretty nice bonus when it comes to this home. Just makes it a unique little feature. All right. Let's see. Take you guys back inside. So this neighborhood, which again is Santa Rosa Shores, it is a golf cart legal neighborhood. So if you are coming with a golf cart, you will be able to ride around. The Publix and the grocery stores are just 1.5 miles up the road. And then of course, this won't be golf cart travel, but the beach is only 7 miles away. So that is a huge, huge deal for this house. Alrighty, everyone. So again, this is 3352 Santa Rosa Drive in Gulf Breeze, Florida. 1,757 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and we would love for you guys to come check it out. Let us know.